Okay, everybody, so today we're troubleshooting a disconnect. The disconnect was not getting 240 volts, so I went to the panel and I took the wires off the breaker and I did a continuity test, and I was not getting continuity on any of the wires. So that tells me something was going on with the wiring in between the panel and the disconnect. So I cut a couple holes below the panel and I'm looking for some type of nick or cut in the wire. I didn't see anything there, so I did end up taking the disconnect off, and as you can see, the wire there was nicked. So this ended up being the problem. I did have to take the disconnect off and relocate that, drill a new hole, and basically run the wire through so I could get more slack because there wasn't any slack in the wire. So I got the wire through. You can see I'm still missing one of the legs that was causing me not to have 240 volts at the disconnect itself. So we got that through, got it to where I needed to be, and then we put duct seal on it, which is always needed. I did have to wire nut the wires because they were too short to go up and over to the terminals of the disconnect. That wasn't a problem. And then after that, we tested everything, and I did have 240 at the disconnect, which was not happening before. So that did solve the problem. So here is the finished product. Like I said, we've relocated it, patched up the holes with duct seal, and then at the panel we did patch all those holes that I needed and cleaned up, and that was it.